Hi, my name's Charlotte and today we're going to be going through the Menumaster MRX daily cleaning. The units will come lined with a Teflon liner which makes cleaning super easy. If you have the Teflon liner at the end of the day, once it's cooled, you can simply get a damp cloth, wipe the sides, insides. If you find that you've got some extra build-up in there that's hard to get off, Menumaster supply a oven cleaner that you can use. You simply spray it on, leave it for a couple of minutes and then wipe it off. So these units come with filters that also need to be cleaned daily. They simply come off via a magnet. You can clean them off with a brush. If you do need to wet them, make sure that they're completely dry before they go back on. And then they simply magnet onto the front and to the sides. So the cook plate also comes out, which makes it easy for you to clean. If you need to, you can soak it in warm water with a little bit of detergent and use a soft sponge to get any excess off this unit. On these units, you can go to www.comcater.com.au.